Alright, in this video I'll be telling you how to make scripts and then assign them to objects. First things first, I'm going to go to a script folder in Assets just to make things more organized. If you right click in the project folder, or in the project view, you'll create a large block of UI here and go up to create. This is admittedly a pretty messy view, but if you're going to be creating something in Unity, generally you can do it through here. We're going to create a C# script and call it test. This will take a second to recompile. Unity does that when you've either created a script or made and saved any changes. It may take a second, but generally it's not too much of a hassle. Notice that when we have the script selected, we can see what's in it. Unity will by default make kind of a basic template class that's a good place to start with in your script. Before we mess with it, I'm going to first show you how to assign a script. I'm going to go to this sphere object, and I can either drag it on here or directly into the inspector here. Now, as I mentioned in the last video, scripts are just components, so we're adding a component. We could add more than one component if we wanted, or we could add it to multiple objects. Either way is up to us. But a script will have no effect unless it's on a game object, and that game object is in the scene. That's the only situation where its code will actually be run. Alright, so then if we want to actually see the code, we can double click here, and it will open Microsoft Visual Studio. Again, you can use other text editors or IDEs if you want, but I highly recommend Visual Studio due to its Unity plugins, which will allow you to autocorrect and debug things easier. Alright, that's all for this video. To actually tell you how to code and program in Unity, I'll explain it in the next video. Thank you.